Hey, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make a chicken spinach curry. It is really delicious, doesn't take that long. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got some fresh spinach there. Now, if you're going to use fresh spinach, because if you wanted, you could use frozen or canned if you want. Make sure you wash it really nicely into some cold water, because always little bits of stone and grit in there. Give it a really nice wash. And you can see that I've shredded it up, this one. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone. I've cut that into nice small pieces. 1 red or large onion, I'm using red. 2 regular sized tomatoes, try and use a nice juicy one. 1 tablespoon, or heaped tablespoon actually, of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Our whole seeds we're going to be using today to start this off with are cumin seeds. So there's like 2 teaspoons of those, and then I've got some dried red chilli. Just over there, I always call the big 4, they're our powders, and we've got 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, coriander, cumin and chilli. We're going to start this off with a little bit of oil and get this going. Okay, so we've got our pot here. You're going to need a lid for this as well. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. Could be using something different if you wanted. We're getting that warmed up. First, we're going to drop in our whole garam masala, our whole seeds. So I've got cumin seeds there, and those dried chilies. Just let them do their thing for a second in that oil. They'll infuse the oil, give it a lovely flavour. Just a few seconds, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add in our onion. So let's do that. Okay. So we're on a fairly lively heat, not maximum on my stove, but above medium. And we're going to go for like 3 to 4 minutes, stirring away. Look at these. These onions are just starting to change colour, and those spices are doing their thing. We're now going to add in our chicken breast. No skin, no bone, and cut quite small, or in thin strips. And staying on this heat, let's cook this for about another 4 minutes or so. Keep it moving now. What we're going to do now is add in our garlic ginger paste, or just chopped ginger and garlic if you want. And once again, staying on this heat, we're going to go just for 2 minutes, stirring all of the time now. Fantastic. This is going to be absolutely wonderful. Okay, spinach time. So let's get our spinach and drop that in. We're going to grab a lid. We're going to put the lid on and we're going to let that go. Again on this same heat for about 3 or 4 minutes. We want the steam to rise in there and make the spinach wilt. Okay, let's get this lid off. There's some steam out of there. As you see, our spinach is wilted down and given off quite a lot of moisture. Let's get this mixed in. Fabulous. Okay, we're now going to add in those fresh tomatoes. Like I say, always try and use a nice juicy tomato. I want to add some salt. And I'm going to drop in our curry powders. So equal parts turmeric, coriander, cumin and chili powder. If you want, you could be using a curry powder of your choice. I just find this a bit better. And again, I'm not adding any fresh chilies to this. I'm kind of keeping it kind of fairly mild, but if you wanted some fresh chilies, could go in there right now. This is incredible. So we do have the dried chilies in there, and we've got chili powder, but there's some fresh green chilies. Could always be very nice indeed. Okay, now the lid's going to go back on for about another 5 minutes on this kind of, you know, fairly vibrant heat. What we're trying to do now is we're trying to get those tomatoes to break down into the sauce. Lid on, 5 minutes. You can leave it alone now. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, out goes the steam. And as you can see, those tomatoes are broken down really nicely. And we've got a wonderful, really wonderful chicken spinach curry there. I'm just going to finish this off with some garam masala powder, just a little pinch or two. If you wanted, you could be adding some cilantro to this as well. Check that for salt, it's going to be great for me. I hope you enjoy that. Fantastic, this is fantastic with rice or with bread. Get some kind of roti or chapati or paratha on the go. And that's it. Great stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below for notifications. And check out the social medias. There's sort of Facebook stuff and Instagram stuff on the go that I'm not very au fait with, to be honest. But yeah, I keep being told to say that and I keep forgetting. Anyway, lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?